My name is Daniel Holzman.
And I'm Val Chmerkovskiy.
Thank you for inviting me into your kitchen.
It's my absolute pleasure.
I'm about to teach this guy how to make a delicious roast chicken, winter citrus salad, salsa verde from the Project Foodie app. The idea is that it's real time. We cook together through the whole process. The biggest problem that people encounter when they're learning how to cook is when to put it in the oven, when to start the sauce, when to start the salad, and then have it all end at the right time. This guy is about to become a master chef.
Oh, I can't wait.
Oh my God, I can't wait.
And I'm gonna teach you some dance moves.
A little bit of
little
thrust.
Here we go.
You can't actually see what's going on behind the counter, but right now I am dancing like I lived in Puerto Rico my whole life.
Your feet are moving.
Have you roasted a chicken before?
No.
Okay, amazing. So this is gonna be so easy. Cut one line right on that side, and then do the other thing on the other side. So you can spin the whole thing around, or you can just, use your amazing skills as a dancer to dance your way around that backbone. When he's not dancing, he just takes a little bit of extra time to write a memoir.
Yes, it's a memoir. It's called I'll Never Change My Name.
This guy is not only an amazing writer and an amazing dancer, but he's very sharp-witted. Get it?
The aesthetic is really important. Being a dancer and constantly creating. I take that obsession into cooking. That's why I have to clean everything every 5 seconds.
Make it look beautiful as you're cooking. You eat with your eyes.
I'm gonna use this app.
I'm so thankful and happy that you
Honestly, this is awesome. And it's so much fun.
It's quite salty.
Yeah, no, it's very salty.
Lemon and salt are basically the opposites. So if we grab this lemon, you're gonna just squeeze half a lemon in there or whatever. Yeah.
To the right and to the left. Mm-hmm. And so you see how you're moving everything?
Yeah.
You want to isolate your shoulders and your feet.
Remember how I mentioned that my hands and my hips don't go together? Look at my arms! Oh my God! Yeah. Look at my arms!
My brother and I are best friends, like you and your brother.
My brother.
And we've bunk bedded our entire life together. So now he's finally married and he has a child and he has a family.
Is that hard for you or is that amazing?
Oh, it's amazing. I'm Val Chmerkovskiy. I'm a professional dancer, and today I became a professional chef thanks to Project Foodie.